viewers to our next lesson in Archicad. The next lesson we are going to cover about objects. These are just symbols or components you can insert in various areas in your floor plan. So under the toolbox we have object. So when you click on the object, here is where we find all the components required for each and every region in a given plan. These components may range from maybe in a bedroom, there are components for the bedroom, there are components for the kitchen, there are components for the corridor, there are components for the sitting room, if at all there is. Yeah, so we can place various components in various areas. So on the object tool, you click on the settings dialog box, you double click, and then now we have our components here. So first one, we have appliances. When you click on the appliances, down here you will find we've got various types of appliances. So it will depend on which type of appliances that you are looking for and the appliances that you want to insert. So we have the ranges like electric cookers, we have bathroom accessories, components which you can place in the bathroom, we have beds when you can place in the bedroom, you also have tables, we also have side drawers, we have shelves and cabinets. When you scroll down, you'll find them appearing in 3D view. We have chairs, you can also place chairs when you're working on the sitting room. We have couches and sofas, various types of sofa sets. We have decorations. You always pick various decorations, those are wall decors. We have furniture layouts, where we have, when you click, you'll see here on the left, on the right, you will find the preview in a plan. We have bed. We have, these are now for dining table, dining sets. We have got various categories. We have the kitchen layout. You can pick a kitchen layout. We also have office layouts, which you can always pick depending on the type of plan that you are working on. We also have kitchen health and creations. You just scroll down and then you pick the component that you want to place. We also have kitchen cabinets. We can have a cooktop. Let's come back to appliances. These appliances, for example, I want us to place like range gas or electric. Those are the names. You simply click. These are the settings there, which you can change the dimensions, width, length, and height. Yeah. And then this is the elevation, base bottom offset story. Always put 0. Some can be placed on the floor. When you have 0, then you click OK. Then you command place. These components, when you click on a component, you can always rotate. You want to rotate, you click one of the nodes, then you click there to rotate, click first corner and the last corner, then you rotate. Like that. Then you rotate. After rotation, now you can click and then you drag. You pick the drag option, then you drag and place it. So it depends on which location you want to place that type. We also have other components like beds. You click, it will open. We have beds. You can place various types of beds. What type of bed you're looking for, you click, and then you place your bed. Sometimes you can see you are inserting a component and it appears to be too big, or it can be too small than the room or the section, that the area where you want to place it. So when you click on this orange, this node, which has a different color, it's called magenta. You can click on that node, so it allows you now, you can change. This one is called moving a node. So you can reduce its size. The one is for reducing the size. You can see our bed has been reduced. The one at the bottom, you can also elongate. You can make it longer. So you can see we have reduced the size of our bed. Or you simply come to the settings dialog box when the object is selected, and then you change here the settings. We have length and width, and then they are all starting at 0. So you can also change it from there, or you can use the nodes to change the size or to resize the object you want to place. So after this, now we can pick, you can mirror, you can flip it. We use the mirror tool, and then drag, click drag, and maybe place it there. See that? Yeah. If you want another type of bed, the same type of bed, you don't need to go back to the objects tool. You pick the existing one, and then I can mirror copy. So click there, then you mirror it on the other side. You'll find the mirror copy there. So when you click, you can simply drag and press it there. So we have 2 beds. Maybe in the master bedroom, we need another type of bed. Just double click on the settings, and then now you come to, we have got furniture layouts. You have that type of bed. Then you click, then you come and place. As I've said earlier, you can pick it, use those nodes to resize. You can move the node. Yeah, and then you can also use that to mirror. Yeah. So from there, you can pick drag and then place it there. So that's the bed for the master bedroom. All these components also appears in 3D. We also have quite a number of components which you can insert. Just click on the settings. Let's click on the settings dialog box. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah. We've got quite a number. We have got school furniture, we have tables, you can insert tables, we have building structures, we have mechanical components. When you're doing plumbing fixtures, we have fire, elevators, heating, renewable sources of energy. We have plumbing fixtures where you have the basins, we have the sinks. You click and then you click OK, and then you place your sink. Maybe you want a sink at that corner. Just pick your arrow tool, then drag using the nodes, using the drag, and then you place. So there are quite a number of components which you can place. We also have our another object which is very crucial. It's called maybe you are doing a residential, commercial, industrial drawings. You are doing a washroom. You can always select. We have urinals and widgets, we have fountains, we have sinks. So each and every object has been grouped. We have electrical, we have plumbing, we also have mechanical objects under mechanical. So we've got quite a number. We have got building structures. Just click on that arrow to expand. We have cladding, we have concrete structures, we have beams, we have columns, we have foundations. Once you click, you pick one, and then you make your changes on the right side of the dialog box. We also have another furniture layout. You are doing a dining set or a sofa layout. When you click here, you will find you have your sofa layout. This sofa layout is a a 7-seater. So you can change. It depends on the size of your sitting room. For example, now you can come to sofa layout settings, and then you can remove the one you want to remove, or you add the one you want to add. For example, when I click sitting on the left, it will go I uncheck that box, so it goes out. Then I can also select this one with one armchair, then I click OK. So when I come and place it here, you'll see that's my sofa layout. Simply click and drag. So that's how we also place components in Archicad, and how to resize the components. Then we can simply just doing that. I remove this. So I can adjust this here. I can remove that sink. I can drag it and maybe change the location. Maybe I need a sink somewhere there. You can rotate. Always you click and then you pick the rotation tab. Then you click first corner and then you orient it to the wall. And then place it there. Yeah. So that's how we do place objects in Archicad. These objects can be viewed in 3D when you just go to generate perspective. When you orbit, click on the orbit, you will find all your components has been placed in various locations. They also appear in 3D. These are beds, there's a kitchen top, and much more you can still place. So we have got each and every component for each and every region in your drawing. We'll go back to ground floor. Another view which I want to show you is called the McQueen. This one is used when you want to view only a particular section in a given plan or in a given area of your house plan. So when you click on the McQueen, I want to view, it's like a rectangular tool, so you draw it along there. When you click, you'll see some dotted lines moving around. That's McQueen. That means I only want to view that particular area. I don't want to view the whole building in 3D. I can view on that particular area in 3D. So once you use the McQueen, you right click, then you can see we have show selection in McQueen or F5. If you're using desktop, you can press F5. So when you click that, you'll find now you can only be able to view that particular section of your project, not the whole project. So this one also enables you now to see if they have been placed nicely, if the elevation has been determined, or maybe they are hanging on the air, or there are some changes that you want to make on this particular area. You always click. So that's how we also use the McQueen tool to view particular sections. You can still go back by right clicking and then you click show all in 3D to remove the McQueen. Then now you can have your view in 3D for the whole project. Then when the McQueen is still active, you can just press escape twice and then it goes off. That's how we place components and how we can view various sections, particular sections in a given project using McQueen tool. Thank you, and let's meet on the next lesson.